Okay. Seventh first. The question is 3x minus 7 upon x minus 4 plus 2x plus 5 upon x plus 2 equal to 5. Okay, this is our question. So first, left hand side, we have to take the LCM. So LCM will be x minus 4 into x plus 2. Here 3x minus 7. It has to be multiplied with x plus 2 plus 2x plus 5 into x minus 4 equal to 5. Okay. So what is the answer after multiplication? 3x into x. 3x square. 3x into 2 plus 6x minus 7x minus 40. This is fine. Next is plus. Okay. If there would have been minus here, minus, then everything you have to put in bracket. Okay. Remember this one. In second question, second. Okay, plus is there. Okay, no issue. Okay. Then 2x into x, 2x square. Plus, here will be 2x into minus 4, so it will be minus. Minus 8x plus 5x minus 20. And in denominator, what will be getting? X into x, x square plus 2x minus 4x, then minus 8. This is fine. Now solve 3x square, 3x square, 2x square. How much would be getting? 5x square. Add them. 6x minus 7x minus x minus 9x plus 5x. So minus 4x. This will be the answer. 6 minus x we are getting here. Minus 9x plus 5x minus 4x minus 34 upon x square minus 2x minus 8. Any doubt till now? Anyone have doubt? Do ask. Now, from denominator we'll take to numerator on RHS. So it will be 5x square minus 4x minus 34 equal to 5 multiplied with whole expression minus 8. 5x square minus 4x minus 34 equal to 5x square minus 10x minus 40. Okay. Now all the x terms on right hand side we take. Ronak and Dushyant are not getting admitted today. Okay. So it will be 5x square minus 5x square minus 4x plus 10x equal to minus 40 plus 34. So they are getting cancelled. 0. It will be 6x equal to minus 6. X equal to how much? Minus 6 divided by 6? Minus 1. Okay. Any doubt you have? So minus 1 is
No,
down.
sir.
Okay. Now 7 seconds, you do it yourself as homework. Okay. Try it once again 7 seconds and we'll do it tomorrow.
It's not coming right.
Who haven't got the answer? Okay, just do one thing. Send me on WhatsApp. I'll check there. I'll find the mistake. Okay. Okay. 7 seconds. Who haven't done, try to do it today. And tomorrow morning we'll discuss 7 seconds. Okay. If you haven't done. Okay.
8 second.
Seventh second. 8th we'll be discussing now. There is one trick as well. Something we'll do. Okay. 7th second. Do as homework. If you haven't completed, and we will discuss it again tomorrow if you are not able to do. Okay. eights we'll discuss now. Okay. See here, if questions like eights are there, we have to always check something first. Okay. So see here, the question is 3 upon x plus 1. Then minus 2 upon x minus 1 equal to 5 upon x square minus 1. Please mute yourself. Okay. Now see here. If such questions are there, what are the denominators here? X plus 1, x minus 1, x square minus 1. Okay. Now, if you multiply these two, what will be getting?
X square minus 1.
X into x, x square, minus x plus x minus 1. That is x square minus 1. It is same as this. If we take the LCM here, we are getting x square minus 1. On the right hand side also, as well in denominator, we have x square minus 1. So they will get cancelled. Yes or no? They will get cancelled. Okay. So now see here, second question. What is being written? 2 upon x minus 3, 2x 4, 2x4. Here minus, plus is there. Okay. So x square minus 9, and here we have x plus 3. Now see here in 8 second, x minus 3, x square minus 9, x plus 3. If we multiply these two, we will get x square minus 9. Yes or no? X minus 3 into x plus 3. How much? X square minus 3x plus 3x minus 3x minus 9. X square minus 9. Okay, just a minute. So x minus 3 and x plus 3, if we multiply, we are getting x square minus 1. So we'll rearrange the equation. We'll rearrange the equation. How we can rearrange it? It can be written as 4. If we take this from here to here, so how the equation will be? X upon x square minus 9 equal to how much? 4 upon x plus 3 minus 2 upon x minus 3. Is it fine? If we write like this, we are taking one term from the left hand side to right hand side. So here it is added, and on the right hand side it will be subtracted. Understood this one? So always, if equations are given like this, always check whether the multiplication of two denominators is same as the multiplication 2 gives the result such like this. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we solve the first one. Okay. So here we do not require to rearrange the equation. Okay. So now take the LCM. In denominator it will be x square minus 1. 3 into x minus 1 minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to 5 upon x square minus 1. So if I write like the equation, 5 upon 6 equal to x upon 6. What we can do? We can cancel these two, and 5 equal to x, or x equal to 5 we can write. Is this fine? Or if I write like this, 10 upon 6 equal to 2x upon 6. So,
Sir, we can do cross multiplication also.
you can do, but it will be lengthy. Won't be easy if we cross them now. It will be easy. So always cross wherever possible. Always eliminate. If I write like this, 10 equal to 5x. So 5, 1 ja, 5, 2 ja. Or you take 5 on that side. Okay. So here, the whole denominator get cancelled. Yes or no? And we can write next equation will be what? 3x minus 3 minus 2x minus 2 into plus 1 minus 2 equal to how much? 5. Is this fine? Or else if you cross multiply, then it will be very lengthy. In cube it will come. And then afterwards cubes and cubes addition, there will be 0. So it's better if we cross it them like here. Okay. Same denominators are there on both the sides. We can remove. So 3x, it will be x. It will be minus 5 equal to 5. X equal to how much? 10. See how easy it was? X equal to 10. Okay. Similarly here we can do. Solve it this one now. You solve it and tell me. So here will be x upon x square minus 9. And here, take the LCM. LCM, it will be coming x square minus 9. 4 into x minus 3 minus 2x plus 3. So x upon x square minus 9 equal to how much? X minus 12 minus 2x minus 6 upon x square minus 9. We can get so with x equal to how much? 4x 2x minus 8 to side 4.
Sir, sometimes your video is paused.
Okay, just
Yes,
check
sir,
your
sometimes.
connection once. Is it?
Sir,
Yes.
in my phone.
Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in morning, there is some issue with it. Winter.
No.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in that 8 seconds, sir, how that second step came? Sir, second step. The
We'll
X.
discuss again. Just wait. Okay, just a minute. We'll discuss them again. We'll discuss there. Okay. So it will be 2x. We take on that side x minus 2x equal to minus 18. Minus x equal to minus 18. X equal to how much? 18. X is the 18. Now, okay, we discuss it here. So whenever a question is given to you, first just look at the question. Don't start solving it, okay? And figure out how you can solve, okay? So first read the question properly, see what is being provided, then try to figure out how to solve, okay? Yes.
Sir, this red color, sir,
Yes.
what you mean last? Red mark.
Here,
Sir, upward, sir.
okay, we are discussing this again. Don't worry.
Okay.
4 upon x plus 3. This is provided to us question. Now, first check the denominators. What denominators we have? X minus 3, x plus 3, x square minus 9. Now see, if you multiply these two terms, x minus 3 and x plus 3, what will be getting? X square plus 3x minus 3x minus 9. This is how much? X square minus 9. If you multiply these two denominators, we are getting x square minus 9. That is, this term we are getting. This denominator we are getting. This is fine. Now what we'll do? We'll take x minus 3 from this side to this side. Okay. Because in denominator we have to multiply x plus 3 and x minus 3. For that we'll take this term from left hand side to right hand side. So how we can rearrange it? X upon x square minus 9 equal to 4 upon x plus 3 minus 2 upon x minus 3. Understood this one? Now, if you multiply these two, we will get in right hand side as well x square minus 9. Then we can cancel from on both sides. Understood this step? So always check once the denominators. Always check once the denominators. Which two denominators we multiply, we may get the third denominator. Okay. 3 terms are there. Now check if we multiply 2 denominators, are we getting third denominator? This is linear, linear, this is quadratic. Okay, when we multiply linear with linear, we are getting quadratic. So always check if we multiply 2 denominators, are we getting the third denominators? If yes, then those 2 denominators you take on one side and the quadratic one on the other side. We did it here. This is on one side, these are on other side. Now we take the LCM. So this remains same, x upon x square minus 9. But on right hand side, what you are getting? Again x square minus 9, 4 into x minus 3, minus 2 into x plus 3. Now they are cancelled. Understood this one? So always check once. Okay. With this exercise, if you have any doubt, we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. Try to solve, try to go through this. Okay. Now we start the word problems. Okay. So word problems, always read the question properly. Any doubt you have with this exercise, with this question 8? If no, then start 5th B exercise, read first question properly.
Sir, which
B.
which page number?
Page number 57, 58, 58, 59. Page number A59, read first question. You have to just read first question. Read it properly. And how you can solve. So with every question, we'll try to figure out as well. Okay. So first question, let me write it on board. Okay. Six more than more. Four times number. Is less than 5 times the number. Okay, this is given and we have to find the number. So what is given? See here, an equation is given in word form. An equation is given in word form. So see here, 6 more than 4 times a number is 4 less than 5 times a number. Okay, that means is equal to sign. This whole is equal to this one. This is fine. This whole, the first line is equal to second line. This is fine. So we are getting left hand side equal to right hand side. This first line is left hand side. Second line is right hand side. This is clear to you. 6 more than 4 times a number is equal to side. 4 less than 5 times the number. Now we have to figure out what will come in left hand side and what is going to be on right hand side. Okay. So now see your first one. 6 more than 4 times a number. So we are having a number. Let that number be x. So first assumption, let the number or let that number.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, how
Px.
sir left hand side is equals to right hand side?
Okay, see here, left hand side and right hand side. See here, you don't have to write in notebook. I'm just trying to explain you. Okay. Okay. See here, what is given? 6 more than 4 times a number. That means this whole line is equal to the second line. Is this one. 6 more than 4 times a number is 4 less than 5 times the number. Okay. That means in left hand side, what is going to come? The first line will be in the left hand side. The second line will be in right hand side. This is fine. We are going to form.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in this exercise, sir, we have to write the questions also.
No, don't write question. Never write questions. Always remember never to write the question. I have written the question to explain, just to explain this question. Okay. So how to find the equation. So in what form it is given? Now say 6 more than 4 times a number. So that number we'll assume. Let it be x, a, y, z, whatever we want. So let that number be x. Okay. Now we have to figure out the left hand side. How we are going to figure out? 6 more than 4 times the number. 4 times the number. So it is x is multiplied with 4. 4 times the number. Now what is it? 6 more than 4 times. That means 6 is being added to it. Yes or no? 6 more than 4 times the number. So 4 times the number, then plus 6. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
4 times the number. So 4 times the number. 6 more than 4 times the number plus 6. This is fine. This is our left hand side. Equal to side. Now is 4 less than 5 times the number. Number again is x. Same number. 5 times the number. So leave space somewhere here and here. Okay.
5x minus
4 less than minus 4. This is fine. 4 less than 5 times. That means 5 times the number will take 5x. 4 less than 5 times. So 4 is 4. We subtract from 5x. This equation we got. So first we have to form the equation from the words. Then now we can solve that number. It's easy. All the x terms on one side. Either you take all there or this side. So 4x minus 5x equal to minus 6 minus 4. It is minus x equal to minus 10, x equal to 10. So that number is 10. You have to write it last. So the number is 10. Understood this one? Anyone have doubt? So you have to
Sir?
read the question properly. Yes?
So how to write it in language?
Okay. How to write in language? See here. First step will be let that number be x because we have to suppose that number something. Okay. So we have supposed that as x. Let that number be x. Okay. Next step will be this one. So from words 4 times the number 4x plus 6 equal to 5x minus 4. And now solve x equal to 10. Now write
Sir,
the number. Yes.
sir, we
Is
have to know to write left hand side and right hand side. That's all.
no. That's just for you to. I have explained you. Just for explaining. Okay. Don't write that one because what you are doing, left hand side we are finding. So this is our left hand side. Right hand side. This is our right hand side. Okay. You can interchange as well. Doesn't matter. Does it matter if we write x equal to 10 or 10 equal to x or x plus 5 equal to 2x minus 2 if we write like something there or 2x minus 2 minus 4 you take equal to x plus 5. It doesn't matter. Okay. This is fine.
Important to write language.
There is no language now. What language more you want to write? This is how you are going to solve. Okay. This is the language only. Okay. Because in question words are always already given. Language is always already provided. Just we have to suppose that number. Let that number be x. Now write the equation from words. Okay. So 4 times the number 4x. 6 more than 4 times the number. 6 more than 4 times the number. Now 4 less than 5 times the number. 5 times the number. 4 less than 5 times. 5x minus 4. Equation we got. We have to solve the equation. Then write it last. The number is 10. That's it. No more equation. No more words. No more language. Okay. This is fine. Understood this question?
Sir, this
Yes.
last step is compulsory. Sir, last step, the number is 10. This is compulsory.
It's always look good. It's look good if you write because in question what is asking? The number is asking. What to find the number? So at last we write the number is 10. Always write this one. It gives good impression. Okay. Okay, fine. Now, anyone have doubt in this question? Because it's very important question.
No, sir.
Okay. Now try the first one. Read the question properly first. Okay, second question. First, the difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers is 141. Is 141. That means right hand side we already have. That is 141. Okay, left hand side we have to figure out the difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers. The difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers. That means first we will have to find two consecutive numbers. Yes. So let one number be x. Then the other will be other number will be what? If one number is x,
X
what
plus
is given?
X plus
Plus.
1.
Yes. The difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers. It is already
141 minus
two
x.
consecutive
140.
numbers. It will be x plus 1. Okay. So both numbers you have found out because
Sir, how
both
x
are
plus 1?
consecutive
Sir,
numbers.
how x plus 1? Sir, x
See
plus
here.
1.
Okay. What are consecutive numbers? If I give it to you, find the consecutive numbers. Either one you will write, 1 or 2, or 2 or 3. These are the consecutive numbers. If I have given you 2, find the consecutive number to 2. What will be the you will write? 1 is the consecutive number or 3 is the consecutive number? Yes or no? So it's easy to solve in if it is plus sign. So we always take. So one number is x, the other number will be x plus 1 consecutive number. The difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers. So two consecutive numbers are x and x plus 1. Now difference is 141. So are we going to subtract
Sir, can
x square this one or bigger number minus smaller numbers square? Okay, read the question again. The difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers. That means bigger numbers square minus smaller numbers square. Understood this one?
Sir, can you tell my answer is correct or not?
Okay. It is not clear. Okay, just check it here. We'll be solving it. Don't worry. Okay. So let the one number be x, then the other will be x plus 1. Okay. Now their squares difference is 141. That means bigger numbers square minus smaller numbers square. So bigger number square will be x plus 1 minus x square equal to how much? 141. Always remember this one. What is given question? The difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers. So one is x plus 1, other is x. These are the two consecutive numbers. Now the difference, the squares difference is 141. That means we have separated the square of smaller number from the square of bigger number. This is fine. Understood this one? Bigger numbers square minus smaller numbers square. Then only we are going to get plus 141. Plus 141. Have you understood this question? So difference of the squares of two consecutive numbers. These are the two consecutive numbers, x plus 1 and x. These are the two consecutive numbers. And their difference is 141. Their squares difference is 141. That means bigger number square minus smaller numbers square is how much? 141. You can see, okay, for example, I write it like this. 5 square minus 4 square, how much you are going to get? 9. If I write like this, small numbers square minus, are you going to get 9?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir,
How you are going
Minus
to get?
9.
8 minus 25, it will be minus 9. So what you have to subtract here? Bigger number here, and from bigger number we will subtract the smaller number. Understood this one? Because here we are having plus 141. Plus 141. Therefore, bigger numbers square minus smaller numbers square. And which will be the bigger number between x and x plus 1? X plus 1 is the bigger number, therefore x plus 1 will come here and x here. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you write it like this, x square minus x plus 1 equal to 141, then you will be getting different answer. That is wrong answer you will be getting. You will be getting answer with minus sign. That will be wrong. As so that can never happen. Smaller numbers minus bigger number, we are never going to get positive number. Okay. So this is the equation. Now solve this one. Now solve this one. X square, open the bracket, square is there, x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square equal to 141. So x square get cancelled, 2x plus 1 equal to 141. 2x equal to 141 minus 1, 140, x equal to how much? 70. Okay. Now read the question, what you have to find? Find the numbers. So which numbers you have to find? Both the numbers. So the two consecutive numbers are which are the two consecutive numbers? One is x, the other will be 70 plus 1, 71. These are the two consecutive numbers. We have to write the answer at last.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, that in that step x square plus, sir, 2x how came? 2x. Sir, why there 2x came?
Okay. Haven't we studied this one? It is written x plus 1 the whole square. So x plus 1 into x plus 1. What you are going to get? X into x, x square plus x plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1. Just multiply that, you get this one. So two consecutive numbers are, because answers you have to find the numbers, both numbers you have to find. So x is 70, 70 we got. Other number is x plus 1, that is 70 plus 1, that is 71. Understood this one?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we can write, sir, x minus 1 also, sir, consecutive number. X
Yes,
and
you
x
can
minus
take.
1.
Yes. Okay, if you are taking, see here, if you are taking one number as x, other as x minus 1. Okay, then what you will be doing? X square minus x minus 1 the whole square, 141. Then as well you will get the answer. This time x will be equal to 71 you will get. X equal to 71 you will get, and the other number will be 70. 71 minus 1. Okay, but this time it will be x square minus b. That is always bigger number minus smaller number, because in the right hand side we are having positive number. Understood this one? Okay, now do the second one. Try to do. Read the question properly.
Sir, done.
Sir, type.
Done. Time is over. Okay, try to do this one. Okay, do this one in 1 minute. So read the question. So again, the difference between the squares of two consecutive even numbers is 36. If I take one number as x, other number will be two consecutive even numbers. If 2 is there,
X plus
so
2.
2, x will be 4, then 6, 8. These are the consecutive even numbers. So it will be x plus 2, because we are adding 2 each time. So if one is x, other is x plus 2. Now the difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers is 36, equal to 36. Square minus square. So here bigger number, x plus 2 whole square minus x square equal to 36. Okay, you can solve. Okay, third one, how you are going to solve? It is written difference between the squares of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Odd numbers is 56. That is 3, 5, 7. Again, if you are taking one number as x, other number will be x plus 2. Yes or no?
Sir, in odd numbers, how will be x plus 2?
If you are taking this as x, then the next number will be x plus 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, solve them, you will know. Okay, solve these three, you will know. Okay, okay, try to do the third one as well. Second one you solve, we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
So when will be winter vacation and Christmas holidays?
okay. I don't have any, I haven't got any information regarding that till now.